Hello friends, welcome to my class. Today I am going to present about the syringe and needles. In this lecture we see about the syringe and its different types. So let's start. First of all, definition of the syringe and needles. Syringe and needles are sterile, used to inject solutions into or withdraw secretions from the body. A syringe is a calibrated glass or plastic cylinder with a plunger at one end and opening that attach to a needle. The needle is hollow metal tube with a pointed tip. A syringe is a simple piston pump consisting of a plunger that fits tightly in a tube. The plunger can be pulled and pushed along inside a cylindrical tube, the barrel, allowing the syringe to take in and expel a liquid or gas through an orifice at the open end of the tube. The open end of the syringe may be fitted with a hypodermic needle, a nozzle or tubing to help direct the flow into and out of the barrel. Syringes are often used to administer injection, apply compounds such as glue or lubricant and measure liquids. Let's see the classification of syringe. First is according to the material used, in which all glass, all metal, glass and metal and plastic. Then according to the nozzle, in which according to the place, with a central nozzle which is commonly used and with an eccentric nozzle. Then according to the type, there are simple nozzle and nozzle with a lever lock. Then according to the size, there are so many sizes available in the syringe like 1 ml to 100 ml. 1 ml syringe are made of for particular purposes, example insulin syringe and tuberculin syringe, and 50 ml syringe are also available. Let's see the quality of an ideal syringe. First of all, there should not be any leakage. To check the leakage, perform the following test. Fill 2 to 3 cc of air in the syringe, block the nozzle with finger and then pull and leave the piston. Piston, after leaving it free, will come to its original position if there is no leakage. Then hold the syringe vertically. Piston should not fall down. Then its joint with the needle hub should be airtight and marking should be clearly visible. Piston should not be too tight and double calibration on syringe are confusing, so try to avoid them. Let's see the parts of the syringe. First of all, this is the tip, then calibration on the tubing, it's a barrel, and last one is plunger and it is the plunger tip. Let's see the type of syringe. There are so many types: glass syringe, then plastic syringe or disposable syringe which is commonly used, record syringe, tuberculin syringe, insulin syringe, asepto syringe, Tummis syringe, Gabriel syringe and ear irrigation syringe. Glass syringe, then tuberculin syringe, insulin syringe, asepto syringe, ear irrigation syringe and plastic syringe. Let's see the first type, it's a glass syringe. It is an all glass syringe, so it is easy to detect dirt. The piston is hollow. Size available are 1 ml, 2 ml, 5 ml, 10 ml, 20, 50 and 100 ml. Then its uses: for intramuscular, intravenous and subcutaneous injection, to collect blood for laboratory investigations, for aspiration of thick fluids, to give Rayleigh tube feeding and to give stomach wash. And its sterilization is done by autoclaving and boiling, or it is the old practice, so nowadays it cannot be used. Let's see the disposable syringe or plastic syringe. Nowadays it is widely used in hospital setting and it is made of plastic material, polyvinyl chloride, and it should be used widely to prevent transmissions of highly infective diseases such as hepatitis and AIDS, and it should not be reused. And its advantages are less likely to leak and contamination of injection is avoided. Then record syringe. It consists of a piston made of metal and body of glass with a long tapering metal nozzle. It is available in various sizes 2cc, 5cc, 10cc or 20cc. Then its sterilization can be done by boiling, gamma rays, hot air oven and chemical sterilization, and it cannot be autoclaved as it is partly metal and partly glass. So autoclave is not can be done. Then in record syringe there are advantages is the piston can be locked in the body, so it can be used for aspiration of fluid. Let's see the tuberculin syringe. This is a 1cc syringe with a piston and it is used to give a test dose before giving full dose of a drug or for the tuberculin test where the amount injected is a fraction of 1cc. It is marked from 0.1, 0.2 up to 1. Then insulin syringe. It is a special syringe which is graduated to 40, 80 or 100 units. Hence, it is useful to give insulin in required unit. Insulin is available as 40 units per ml in India. However, 80 units per ml and 100 units per ml is also available. These syringes are available in 1 ml and 2 ml size. Now, asepto syringe. It consists of a glass or plastic barrel and a rubber bulb. It is called asepto because it has no septum. In other syringe, the septum of the piston pushes the fluid, whereas in asepto syringe, the fluid is pushed by the pressure of air via the bulb. When the rubber bulb is pressed, air goes out, and when released after keeping the nozzle in fluid, the fluid is sucked into the syringe. Its use is for irrigation of wounds, cavities and urinary bladder and as a closed suction drainage. Its sterilization can be done by boiling in water or either autoclaving. Let's see the Toomis syringe. It is a special glass and metal syringe with a capacity of 100 cc. Strong negative pressure can be created by it. It has a special wide nozzle so that it can be attached to the cystoscope. Then its uses. It is used along with the cystoscope in a clot retention in urinary bladder to wash out the clots. And its sterilization is by keeping the syringe in 1-30 Saulon for 30 minutes or in Sidex for 10 minutes. Let's see the Gabriel syringe. It is a glass and metal syringe. It has a lever lock and 3 rings for better holding. 2 rings are attached to the syringe and 1 to the piston. Then its uses are for injection therapy in first degree bleeding and early second degree piles. A specially designed needle is used for a pile injection with this syringe. Now, ear irrigation syringe. It is a special metal syringe with a long thin nozzle and 1 finger bow attached to the piston. Its use is for ear wash and irrigation and to remove any foreign body, wax and blood clots. So thank you friends. I hope you like my video. Thank you.